Alright, hey, what's up everybody? My name is Riley Weller. I operate the website beatstruggles.com, and people around the music industry know me as Gratuitous. So in this music course, you guys are going to be learning how to sample your own music. So when you take other people's music and you sample it and you try and sell that music, or even if you just use that music, you are infringing on someone's copyright. That is their content. You're taking their content and you're making it your own. You're trying to sell it. There's laws and stuff like that saying that you're not allowed to do that stuff. And if you do that stuff, you need like a clearance. But in this course, I want to show you guys how to sample your own music to still get that sampled sound, but the song at the end of the product is still yours 100%. So, you can sell it and you don't got to worry about any kind of copyright issues or anything like that. So how this course works is we record a loop, we add some kind of cool effects onto it, just to give that loop a cooler sound. We load that into a sampler and then we chop it up, okay? That's pretty much as basic as it is, but I do go through the whole process with you in this course, and I will let you guys listen what kind of beat you're gonna get by taking my approach to do this, okay? So right here, I just have just a loop that I've recorded. Sounds like this. Okay. And then the sampled part sounds like this, okay? So. Okay, and then this is like, again, that original loop. And then into the sample. Okay, so it still gives your beats that sampled sound, but again, it's 100% yours. You can sell it freely, and it's still that sampled beat. Okay, so I want to give you guys one more example of how I have done this. So this is another beat using the same approach of sampling your own music. So here's the loop. Okay, so that's the loop. And then inside the beat, we got this. And yes, that did come from this loop, Okay, so if you guys think this course will be interesting for you guys to learn how to create that sampled beat and stuff like that, I'm just gonna do a whole walkthrough with you guys. We're gonna record the loop, we're gonna add all our effects on, we're going to bring it into a sampler, we're gonna chop it up, we're gonna actually make a little loop, and I'll walk you through how to get that sampled sound in your beats, okay? So if you guys want more information on me, you guys can go to itsgratuitous.com or beatstruggles.com, and you guys can check out some free tutorials I have on that website, to kind of see the standard of quality that you'd be getting through this course, okay? So hopefully you guys enjoy.